Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to be unboxing the Realme 5i. So in the previous video I unboxed the Realme 6. If you haven't watched that video, I will put the video's link in the description. You can go and watch that video as well. In this way you can have a better idea of the specs between the Realme 5i and the Realme 6. Anyways, let's move towards the unboxing of the Realme 5i. Here is the box, Realme 5i. On the front you have the 5i big text, on the side Realme 5i, on the top you have the Realme logo with the R, and on the back you have its specification. So first of all, the color is aqua blue. It has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, and here on the upper sides we have some specifications as well. It has a 5000 mAh massive battery, so it's going to last quite a long time. It has an ultra wide quad camera. The processor is Snapdragon 665 AIE, and it has a 6.5-inch mini drop display. Other than that, let's see what's inside the box. So first of all, you're going to get your documentation instead of the mobile phone. So let's see. So here you have two Realme guides, and if I open this, here you have your SIM ejection tool as well. So now here we have the phone itself. So let me just move it out. So here is the actual phone, the aqua blue color. So here you can see the back side of the phone. It's looking gorgeous, and here on the front you have your full screen display. On the side, on the left side, you have your volume up and down keys as well as your SIM tray. On the right side you have your power button. The top is fully clear, whereas on the bottom you have your speakers, microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as your micro USB cable. This does not come with the USB type C cable as we see in the Realme 6 version anyways. So I'm going to put it at a side. Let's see what else is inside the box. So here we have the charger. Here you can see the charger. So let me read its specification. So the output is 5V 2A. I hope that you can see it in the camera. Anyways, here you have your cable as well. So here you can see that it is your usual USB to micro USB cable. You are not seeing any type C cable in this particular set, and also you don't have any headphones included in this mobile phone as well. Anyways, let's power on the mobile phone. Realme powered by Android. So now it's going to power up. So I'm just going to quickly set it up, and then I'm going to show you the camera and the display as well. So after setting up, here you can see the mobile phone, the display, the full 6.5-inch display, and you can see you have a lot of area on the screen. So let me just open the camera to show you the camera result. Here you can see the result of the back camera. So here you have the 1x and 2x as well as 5x zoom on it as well. Here let me just show you the result. Here you can see the front camera as well. So here you can see the result of the front camera as well of this phone. And other than that, here you have it. Here on the back you have your fingerprint sensor as well. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so. I will be making further unboxing videos as well. Other than that, thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.